Welcome to Hotel Grand Central, Singapore! From Changi International Airport, we arranged a private van transfer to Hotel Grand Central. Here's the lobby of Hotel Grand Central. Our deluxe room is located on the 6th floor. We were welcomed by a very comfortable bed and a lovely city view of various Singapore malls and hotels. The bathroom is well equipped with complete toiletries, a hairdryer, and a bathtub. There's also a 55-inch TV with YouTube and Netflix, and high-speed internet is also provided. Complimentary coffee and tea plus hot and cold water dispenser is available, which is a great advantage since bottled water in Singapore can be pricey. The closet includes a safety box, an iron, and indoor sleepers. The hotel offers a daily breakfast buffet featuring Singaporean dishes. We made sure to enjoy it to fuel up for our Singapore tour. The hotel also has a gym area and a rooftop pool with the views of iconic landmarks such as Marina Bay Sands and Singapore Flyer. You can book Hotel Grand Central on Klook and use our discount code Nagia Travels too. Its convenient location near a bus stop and a nearby 7-Eleven store adds to its accessibility. Additionally, this road leads to Ion Orchard, Lucky Plaza, and Paragon with nearly 20 shopping malls in total, making it an excellent choice for shopping enthusiasts. Go travel, you deserve it. Follow us for more videos. Bye!